The Clarke CCS185C circular saw is a high-quality circular saw which is ideal for DIY or trade use. The powerful 230-volt 1200-watt motor powers the 185mm blade at up to 4,500 RPM for fast and accurate cuts. With a maximum depth of cut of 65mm, the CCS185C can power through all your sheet cutting requirements. A dust extraction port is built in, and an adjustable rip fence is included for accurate measured cuts. With the ability to bevel cut up to 43mm at 45 degrees, it can produce a wide range of cuts to suit the requirements of many applications with ease. Supplied complete with a 185mm tungsten carbide tip blade for accurate cuts and long life, depth adjustment and a dust extraction port, the Clarke CCS185C will give you many years of great service.